Many of the graphical search engine features are designed specifically for morphological analysis of Greek and Hebrew texts of the Bible. BibleWorks has a number of morphological databases. These are just Bible versions in which each word has been replaced by a construction that contains the lemma and parsing information for the word. You can search these databases just like you search any other versions, but the words that you look up are constructs made up of a lemma and some appended codes that specify the morphology or parsing information. If I double-click on a word box, I can see below the word radio button that I have a place to enter a word and then a line that indicates morph. The graphical search engine has command line morphology help for each word box that can assist you in constructing morphological searches. In this search that we'll construct, we'll build a query that finds all verses in the GNM version with the following pattern: an adjective in the nominative case, followed by a noun in the nominative case. Notice the ordering arrow, followed by a verb, followed by an adjective in the accusative case, and followed by any noun in the accusative case. In addition, as we see in the ordering boxes, we'll allow up to 2 words between each of these specified words. And the final result will look something like this. Now let's build the query from scratch. Switch to the GNM as your search version by typing GNM on the command line and hitting enter. Then open a new graphical search engine window by going to Search and Graphical Search Engine, and add word boxes until there are 5 word boxes in the window. Connect each word box to the merge box. Switch to ordering mode, and then make ordering connections between your word boxes, one following the other. Click on a word box and drag an arrow from one box to the other, then the next box to the next box, and so forth. I'm going to move my ordering boxes out a bit so I can see things better. Now double-click on each ordering connection box and specify at most 2 words in between. So we double-click on it and click on the radio button for at most and enter 2. Now we're ready to specify the morphology for an adjective in the nominative case. Double-click on the first word box. In the word box window that opens, enter an asterisk for the word, the asterisk being a wildcard that'll match any lemma. And now we're ready to specify the morphology. Enter an @ in the morphology entry space. This opens the command line morphology help. Choose the appropriate letters for adjective, then any code for type of adjective, any code for the subtype, and nominative for the case. After that, enter the asterisk for all following codes. The morphology string @a?n** is now in the morphology entry area. Click OK to close the word entry box window. Now double-click on the remaining 4 words, and in the word box window, enter the appropriate codes. Enter the asterisk for word, @ Now we wish to have a noun in the nominative case, so I entered N, a question mark, and then N, and then an asterisk for all following codes. Click OK. Next one is a verb, so I'll double click, asterisk for word, @ in the morph field, then V for verb, and then an asterisk for all following codes. Click OK. Double click on the next word box, asterisk, then in the morph field, @ and here we wish to have an adjective in the accusative case, so I'll click on A, any code, and then A for accusative, and then an asterisk for all following codes, and click OK. And then in our last word box, double click it, asterisk for the word, enter the @ in the morph field, and then we need a noun in the accusative case. So I'll enter N, any code, A for accusative, an asterisk for all following codes. Then click OK. Now you're ready to run the query. Click Go, and our search results display in the Results Verse List window. And we can view our results by clicking on them. If you display the GNT, you can view your search results.